Mail Solutions Group is the largest manufacturer of envelopes in the UK. We have 4 factories operating in the United Kingdom and 1 overseas in India. We employ 320 people across the group.
Mail Solutions are moving to new premises, and within that they are going to be increasing their capacity by over 80%. And in these discussions I identified that there were several environmental areas that they were addressing as a company.
All of our factories are accredited under ISO 14001, which is the international standard for environmental awareness. Under that accreditation, we identified half a dozen projects where we needed a little bit more help to undertake environmental improvement programmes, and that's where our involvement with the university commenced.
Well, the original project with Mail Solutions was set up kind of 2 aspects. The first aspect was to do with rainwater harvesting. Can the company collect rainwater to use in the cleaning process for their printing apparatus? And the second part was a problem they had with the wastewater from the printing process. They have a lot of essentially dirty, inky water which goes into the sewers, and they pay quite a lot of money to Severn Trent to discharge this kind of polluted water, really. So we've been looking at can we clean the water to make it a lot cheaper to discharge, and if we can clean the water, then maybe we can recycle that water. It doesn't need to be discharged.
The benefits for Mail Solutions using the university were twofold. First of all, the university was extremely objective. They weren't tied to any particular solution or product or service. And secondly, they weren't afraid to introduce novel technology to Mail Solutions.
We discovered quite quickly we can actually clean the water very efficiently, relatively quickly, using some powders we use here quite a lot. But it's kind of evolved past that now. We've got an MSc student actually doing his project on this. So rather than just cleaning the water, which is relatively easy to do, that's not so difficult, but the next phase will be, can we actually reclaim the print in ink from the powder? If you can imagine, the water is full of ink. The powder takes the ink out of the water, then you have a lot of inky powder. But if we can get the ink out of the powder, the powder can be recycled, you can use it again and again and again, and we can give the ink back to Mail Solutions so they can actually use it as a resource. So they save money in both ways.
Through implementation of the university's recommendations, we believe that we can save up to £20,000 per annum on this site alone on water treatment process.
Mail Solutions are typical of the type of companies that the university want to work with. They are forward-thinking, they're growing their business, and they are capable and willing to appreciate novel and alternative ways of improving their business operations.
Not only have we saved a substantial amount of money with the water treatment solution that the university has suggested, but we're also able to improve our environmental credentials and make our market aware of the improvement in environmental credentials, so it's had a fantastic effect on our marketing. It's also opened up other contact areas with the university where we hadn't previously thought of contacting them for help. Things like structural engineers and marketing departments, all good stuff that the company can tap into and benefit our future growth.
It's a lovely case study for us to get involved with and make us useful for Mail Solutions, essentially. But also we can take it further. We can actually come up with new products, new designs, and take the project even further to make an even better solution. And that's what we plan to do in the future.
The win-win for the university and for Mail Solutions is that Mail Solutions are able to access experts within the university, in this case the School of Applied Sciences, and from the university's perspective we're able to place our students into a company, giving them experience which will make them much more employable after they graduate.
Based upon the very positive experience that we have had using the University of Wolverhampton services, I would definitely recommend that other businesses participate and collaborate with the university.